The G20 DC switch is the latest product from Kraus Naimer and has been developed in response to the increasing number of applications involving DC switching. This new switch distinguishes itself by high DC switching capacity and most compact design in the industry. The new snap-action latching allows for high and constant switching speed, fully independent from manual operation. The contact chambers of the G20 contain new vibration-resistant knife contacts. The wiping action during making and breaking cleans the contacts and increases contact reliability considerably, particularly when dry circuit or offload switching is the application. Large contact gaps along with high switching speed achieve safe extinguishing of the arc, even with high voltages. In a conventional contact system, the dynamic forces resulting from high currents, as discovered by the Swedish physicist Ragnar Holm, can cause the contacts to open due to a lifting of the contact bridge. However, in the case of a knife contact, the resultant force actually increases the contact pressure. Hence, short circuit withstand capability is considerably higher. Rotating contact bridges in T, I, and L shape are available to suit various switching configurations. The switch terminals can provide IP20 protection and remain fingerproof when jumper links are used. The switch body can contain up to 12 contact chambers. G20 is, of course, available for front panel mounting. The switch is supplied with open terminals, which are easily accessible for ease of installation. Captive terminal screws and integrated screwdriver guides facilitate wiring. In the case of base mounting, the same parts are used for the switch body, but turned upside down. When combined with a standard latching mechanism, the G20 complies with all regulations required for a main switch according to IEC EN 60204. The contact system does not use any plastic components to hold the current carrying parts together. Consequently, it is heat resistant according to standard EN 12101-3.